Okay, these are the phonics words for this week. They're words that we can practice to make sure that we've understood the sound and to help us to get fluent in our reading. Okay, first word, ow, n, down, out, out, ow, how, ow, and, found, house, house. Down, out, how, found, house. Down, out, how, found, house. Ow, n, crown. Ow, wow. Out, out. Ow, n, frown. Ow, and, sound. Crown, wow. Out, frown, sound. Crown, wow, out, frown, sound. Out, louder. Out, loudest, loudest. Out, and, round, rounder. Out, and, roundest, roundest. Louder, loudest, rounder, roundest. Louder, loudest, rounder, roundest. Proud, prouder, prouder. Proud, proudest, proudest. Short, shorter, shorter. Short, shortest, shortest. Prouder, proudest, shorter, shortest. Let's go through those words again. Down, out, how, found, house. Crown, wow, out, frown, sound. Louder, loudest, rounder, roundest. Prouder, proudest, shorter, shortest. Okay, and let's look, while we're working on words, let's look at some rhyming words. We're going to do a rhyming word match. So we have the words down here. Mouth, house, cloud, shout, round, ouch, count. Okay, what words are going to rhyme? Okay, it rhymes with mouse. What does mouse end with? Ouse. So we're looking for a word that ends with ouse. And there it is right there, ouse, house. Just change the M to an H and you get house. It rhymes with couch. What does couch end with? Ouch. So that doesn't end with ouch. Ouch, 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 ouch. The word ouch rhymes with couch. Okay, it rhymes with mount. What does mount end with? Ount, out, 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 out. Right here, out. So count. Change the M to a C and you get count. Okay, it rhymes with loud. Loud ends with oud. So alf, oud right here. Oud, cloud. Change the, or add a C to loud and you get cloud. Okay, it rhymes with south. What does south end with? Alf. And right here, the first word ends with alf. Change the S to M, and you go from south to mouth. It rhymes with found. So we need a word that ends in ound. Out, ound, right here, round. Change the F to an R, and you get round. Okay, it rhymes with out. So out, no, here's the only word, and it is out. So we add an SH to out, and we get shout. Okay, now this doesn't really have to do with our phonics words. It is more with writing, but I just thought I would add it to the end of this because this is something that we need to work on. Writing sentences. And first we put our name. And so I put my name on here. Then, what does a cow give us? Okay, what does a cow give us? Well, it gives us milk. So when we're writing an answer to a question, look in the question to find out how to start the answer. So we're going to start, okay, what does is the part of the question. So a cow gives us. Now we're going to have to put an S on here because when it becomes a statement, we have to put an S there. So a cow gives us, so that's the first part of what we're going to write. So, but we're going to make that an uppercase A because it's the first word in the sentence. A cow gives, space between your words, us. And what does it give us? It gives us milk. It also gives us other things. We can make cheese, we can make butter. For now, we'll just put milk. Okay, what makes you frown? Okay, so we're going to have to use the word frown in here, but when I'm answering the question, when they ask me, they say you. So when I answer it, I'm going to have to say I. So I'm going to start with I, or see, what makes you frown? Let's start first. I was going to put I frown when, but let's change it. What makes me frown? What makes me frown? When I get hurt, I frown. So I'm going to put getting, well, breaking my leg right now. Okay, getting hurt. We had to kind of switch the sentence around a little bit. Does what? Makes me, here I'm going to have to put me, makes me frown. So makes me frown. And put a period at the end. Okay. What does a mouse eat? Okay. Here's the part of the question. So I'm going to use a mouse eats, and I'm going to add an S there. So again, I'm going to change that to an uppercase because the first sentence has to be uppercase. A mouse eats. What does a mouse eat? A mouse eats cheese. Okay. Then, what do you get, or what do you use your mouth for? Okay, so instead of you, I'm going to change that to I. I use, and not your, my. So I use my mouth use my mouth for what? I use my mouth for, what things do we use our mouths for? Talking, eating. Okay, so I use my mouth for talking. Remember ta, all, k. ing for talking, and we should know how to spell that by now. For talking and eating. EA for the E, eat, ing, again, ing, period. Okay, and the last one. What is your favorite clown trick? So, instead of your, we're going to put my, because you're answering the question. My favorite clown trick is. So, I just copy that. My favorite look again how we spell favorite. We have the word or in there. Favorite clown. And we're just copying from what's there so we don't misspell it. And so we get the words right. My favorite clown trick is, and what can we put there? My favorite clown trick is, I like the one where they hide in the barrels at the rodeo. So is hiding in barrels. I like when they hide in the barrels and run away from the bull. Okay, I'm having a hard time down here at the bottom of the paper holding it still. It's always best to have two hands to write with so you can hold your paper still when you're writing. But I can't do that and hold the iPad too. Okay, now remember that when you're writing the answer to questions, use the question to help you write the answer. Use some of the words that are already there that helps you with spelling and it helps you know what to write. And just use it as the first part, usually as the first part of your answer, and then finish the answer. Okay.